Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Malaology. I am Teresa, Doctor of Metaphysics, Ascension Guide, and Priestess, here to make Mala use accessible, to teach you how to use it to improve your life. Today we're going to invoke the Goddess Lakshmi. We're going to do 108 repetitions with this mantra, Om Shreem Mahalakshmi Namaha. This merely invokes the Goddess Lakshmi, who is the goddess of love and beauty. Again, I have many correspondences for this goddess as well. She is similar to the goddess Venus, or any earth goddess, or any loving mother goddess. Actually, God, guide, or guard. She is the energy of Lakshmi is just merely your heart chakra and your higher heart chakra being highly activated. Meaning you attract things to you from the universe. You are beautiful to other people. You are, your words come out like honey. You are desirable. And we can make this magic in our life. We can make this magic happen for us, right? If you don't feel beautiful, the Goddess Lakshmi will make you feel beautiful. If you don't want to do self-care, if you don't want to take the time to give yourself a nice bath or to eat, to prepare yourself a nice meal, this is what Goddess Lakshmi does. But she also brings prosperity, great wealth, great wisdom. She blesses you a lot like she's my other favorite, my I hate to put one above the other, but everyone knows that I absolutely adore Ganesha. Well, Lakshmi goes hand in hand with the energy of Ganesha. Truly a blessed and beautiful energy. And I definitely find her correspondent to the planet Venus, and just that love and nurturing energy that we give to others and that we receive. So I think it's really important for us to invoke this goddess on the regular. I think that we want to, if you are creating anything in your life, if you're trying to manifest a specific outcome in your life, or if you're trying to manifest a better life for yourself, this is the energy you want. You want to activate your heart chakra so that it is creating a vortex of attraction for you. Okay, like Abraham Hicks would say, right? This is the energy of Lakshmi at the heart, and it's the energy of attraction, right? Attracting what you want, attracting others, attracting what you put out, really, right? And so the first thing that we're going to put out today, this morning, is love for ourselves and others, and asking for love from the universe. And that's what this mantra is. Just merely connecting with the energy of love that exists in your own heart chakra. All right. So I'm actually going to use my Lakshmi Mala. If you're looking for crystals or gemstones that will resonate with Lakshmi, citrine definitely for the prosperity piece. Rhodochrosite and rose quartz, a beautiful combination. All right, so you can use any mala that you want. You don't even need to use a mala, right? You can just state out 108 repetitions or 27. If you want to do a quarter mala practice, whatever you want to do. But today we're going to do 108. And I ask you to do this with me so that we can connect our energy and magnify this in each of our lives. All right. So you can push the beads away, or you can pull them toward yourself, right? And we're going to start at the guru, or in this case, at the charm. All right. Om Shreem Mahalakshmi Namaha. 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 Om Shri 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 Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Shreem 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 Mahalakshmi Namaha. That should be 108. It could be more or less. Knowing me, I may have made a mistake there, here or there, but I forgive myself. And I hope you forgive me too. So I want to also mention that if you're looking to attract love, if you're looking to attract a tribe or a lover or a friend or the attention of an individual or a group, this is the mantra that you want to do every morning for a week before you put out that video, send that email, go to that event, or even just send out that intention. Just do it for a week and then send that out, and then continue to do it. Never stop doing it really on occasion, but just continue to do it until you get the results that you want. It's like honey dripping from your lips when you speak this mantra, and the universe loves it. It laps it up, right? It laps up the flow. And it's just getting into the vibe, riding the crest of the wave of beauty, of the Sephiroth, is that what it's called, of beauty on the tree of life. Yes, it's truly in the center a golden coin of inner wealth that will manifest into outer wealth, but it's a precious treasure. It's a precious jewel in your heart when you speak this mantra. I hope you felt it already. I know that you will feel it after doing it for a week. Let me know how it works for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Mala blessings, love, and light.